Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Mercedes GLA and I will show you how to enable or disable the automatic mirror folding. So the auto folding mirrors, every time you lock the vehicle the mirrors will fold. This video will apply to third generation of these vehicles made from 2020 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now on the main dashboard screen, you want to tap this house icon in the top left corner. Then you want to go all the way to the right to settings, select vehicle in the top menu, and select open close. And automatic mirror folding, right now it's turned on, it's blue. If you select it, toggle it off, it's gonna gray out. So blue means on. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.